Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Craft with Meriem. In my channel you will enjoy different new DIYs for home decoration for any season. In today's video I am so excited to be a part of the Power Up collab for the first time with these beautiful ladies, hosted by Sarah from Kansara DIY channel and ZANA from OK at Home DIY. There are links in the description below to take you to this two Hots channel and this Power Up playlist. I hope you enjoy and check this out because we are giving away an Amazon card and you have to comment in each one's video. The special or secret word will be given a little bit later on in their videos. Just keep watching. Also my secret word will be shown and said during my video. Let's go jump to my first DIY. Et voila, this wood burning set contains one wood burning tool, has an on and off switch to make it easy to use, one stand to avoid putting someone else when especially when it's hot, also includes 4 burning tips, 1, 2, and fourth one is here. I used it before, has leaf shape, it helps curve on wood and can be used for all skill levels to create decorative patterns on wood. And this wood burning set is ideal for adding burning details to all our wooden arts, craft, for handmade gifts or home decor too. So also I have this hot stamps for uppercase letter for wood burning tool. They are perfect for burning words on wood signs. They can make our creative project easy to personalize with names, initial words, phrases, quotes, and more. For my first DIY, I have these wood slides that I got from Hobby Lobby, and you can get them from any craft store like Michael's, Walmart in craft section, and this cute wood scrapbook paper, and this different size of buffalo check ribbons. I'm using these hot stamps letters to stamp the words Home Sweet Home on this wood slice. As you see, I am using this plier to switch letters, especially when it's hot. It helps me to protect my fingers to get burned, and this finger protector too are helpful. So I have these 3 wood slices. First I have to sand them to make it flat and smooth, so it's gonna be easy to stamp those letters. So just what I have to do, it's easy to use this wood burning tool stamps. You just hold it flat. If you want to make it darker, just stay longer. So I'm switching the letters H-O-M-E. I have to be extremely careful when I try to take off any of these letters out and switch them with another letter. I'm using plier to be fast because it takes time to cool down. This plier is very useful. Now when I'm done with these letters, I'm trimming this cute scrapbook paper to add it as background of my Farmhouse decor. And this buffalo check ribbon, add it all around this frame. And these half beads too, add them in each corner. It matches with the color of the wood. After that, I'm making my bow for loops of these large buffalo check ribbons with some greenery. I hope you like this first project. Just keep watching my second project where I will mention my secret word. Let's jump into the second DIY now, using this wood burning tool. This time I wanted to do this DIY and play around with different designs. I got this frame from Dollar Tree, this floral scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby, this piece of wood from Dollar Tree, some flowers, some greenery. And first I scratched the word welcome with my handwriting using my pencil. and I was pretty careful to avoid going over the pencil line. So I just took it very slowly. I used a tip to trace my writing. I just took it very slowly, and that was the best way to do it. Just kind to go back over and press a little bit harder to make it darker. As you see, I smell burning. Do you smell burning smell? It's okay. Then I added some little leaves with this tip. I picked up this tip, which is my favorite one, and it is the easiest one. Just hold it flat. If you want to make it darker, just stay longer. This power tool is wonderful. It let my project be ready in fast time. It's fun though, I really do enjoy it. As you see, I go back and forth to make my pencil line darker with this tool. I'm using my plier to change the tip. I'm using this leaf tip again. Now I'm placing my background, scrapbook paper, and I'm gonna add some greenery flowers at the bottom of the frame. So just add some dimension and some details to this project. And I got these half beads. I'm gonna paint them in black. I want to add some glitter, so I add some Mod Podge on the top of these half beads, then some little bit of glitter. I am at the end of my project. Now, by the way, my secret word is Dremel, D-R-E-M-E-L. So don't forget to put it in your comment below. I hope you enjoy my video and watching these 2 DIYs that I made with my wood burning tool. And see you next time. Bye.